loves, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another nail art tutorial. This time I'm working with water decals. I was so excited to finally have the chance to work with water decals, and I really like how they look. In addition to the tutorial, I will show you loves some nail supplies that I've recently hauled. The nails I'll be using for this tutorial are by EC Basket. They are the 500-piece natural stiletto nails. That is a lot of nails, and it comes in a really durable, transparent case, and they were $7.99 on Amazon. Inside the lid, I wrote down the sizes of the nails that I'll be wearing to make it easier and quicker for me to put the nails on when I want to change up my design. Here you can see just how long these nails are. They are the perfect stiletto nails. I found my sizes fairly quick and I did not have to do any additional filing. I absolutely love the length. These nails are pretty sturdy as well. They are not thin. I just love everything about these nails so far. And I used my favorite glue to apply these nails. I used the Kiss PowerFlex brush-on nail glue. And I applied the glue to the well of the nail as well as my actual nail bed to ensure a more secure fit. In addition to my Amazon nail supply haul, I will also be trying out these 3 nail polishes for the first time as well. The first nail polish I'll be using is the LA Colors Color Last Metallic Finish Nail Polish in the shade Opal White. As you can see, I got 4 shades. I don't know if this is the entire collection, but I got all of the metallic finish polishes that I saw, and they are so pretty. And they were $4 each at Walmart. The second nail polish is by Revlon. It is their Transforming Effects nail polish in 765 holographic pearls. And I had never used a hollow nail polish before, and it is so pretty. And it was only $1 from Dollar Tree. The last nail polish I'll be using for this set is the Pure Ice nail polish in the shade Hit the Floor, and it was $3 from Walmart. This has to be my favorite item from my Amazon nail supply haul. They are the INHD Box 50 sheet water decal set. I got so many pretty images for only $8. The last 2 items in my haul are by Gadgets Intrapot on Amazon. They're the 2-piece 1.5 and 2.0 millimeter 12 color rhinestones, and the set was $5. For today's nail art design, I'll be using the clear as well as the light blue 1.5 millimeter rhinestones. To start off this nail art design, I am painting my thumb, middle, and ring fingernails with the LA Colors Color Last nail polish in the shade Opal White. For the nails on my thumb and middle finger, I'm applying the Revlon Transforming Effects nail polish in the shade Holographic Pearls using a SassyChic Cosmetic wedge. I got a pack of 28 from Dollar Tree for $1. Now I'm painting my index and pinky nails with this beautiful red glitter nail polish by Pure Ice in the shade Hit the Floor. For the design on the nail on my ring finger, I'll be applying these beautiful red and blue flowers as well as a cute little yellow butterfly. I got this hot pink plastic shot glass from Walmart for 98 cents, and I put a little bit of water in it. Then I took the plastic sticker off of the water decal. You have to take that off because the first time I tried it, I didn't take the plastic off and the water decal stuck to the plastic. So I'm going to put that in there and leave it in there for about 15 to 20 seconds to make sure that the tattoo is thoroughly released from the paper. Now it's time to take the water decal out, and I'm just using a pair of tweezers. I'm also going to use the tweezers to remove the water decal from the paper. When doing this step, if you're using anything besides your fingers, you have to be very careful as to make sure that you do not rip the decal. And I got it off. Now it's time to put it on my nail. When you place the water decal on your nail, you want to press it down, make sure you get any wrinkles or air bubbles out. And it's also a good time to position the decal where you want it before it fully dries. Once you get it where you want it, you can gently press it down with your finger to remove the excess water. To seal in my water decal design, I am applying 2 coats of the LA Colors Color Last top coat. To complete my manicure, I'm using the Pure Ice Fixer Upper Cuticle Oil. I hope you loves enjoyed the tutorial. I had so much fun filming it. I had been wanting to work with water decals for such a long time, and now that I have, I definitely see myself using them in the future. All of the products will be listed down below in the description. I would love it if you could drop me a comment. And until next time, bye loves!